this video how to upgrade your Roblox to premium. So just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Roblox like this, and after opening your Roblox, come right now and click on this more section and click on premium, and it's going to take you to this page, premium. So it's loading, so click here on get premium, and if you have this, for us we just have to click here, get premium, and click subscribe now, and after that finish the other steps, and that's all guys, you will get premium. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.